Hello, good morning. My name is Mohammed Asim. Welcome back to the Cloud Asim. Today we are going to dive in infrastructure as code. We are going to configure HashiCorp Terraform on Ubuntu operating system. We are using cloud services from AWS, and we will proceed and we'll follow the official document from Terraform. If you're a seasonal developer, if you're a DevOps engineer or the cloud engineer, or you're working associate, or you want to learn from as a new learner, so this tutorial will help you to understand and to configure Terraform on operating system Ubuntu. Okay, so we'll go for the official document of Terraform, right? So this is the official document of Terraform. We are using Linux operating system and we are using Ubuntu operating system. If you're going with another operating system, you can check from here. It's providing CentOS, Feroda family, and the Linux, Amazon Linux, right? So over here we are going with the Ubuntu operating system. If you don't know how to check which operating system you are using, you can use the command in the Linux as hostname ctl, which will provide you the operating system details. Operating system is Ubuntu LTS 24, right? So in this case, if you check Terraform, it doesn't exist, right? Terraform we have not installed configured here, so it's showing me to install the Terraform. We will use the official document of Terraform, then we will configure over here. This is the official document. To ensure the system is up to date, we have to install the GNP packages, then we have to install the key and the fingerprint, and we will compile it and we will update the packages and we will install Terraform. So let's go and copy and paste over here. This is the official document of HashiCorp Terraform, right? From here you can install Terraform. Just go and paste it over here, right? We are accessing a EC2 instance which we have created on AWS. If you don't know how to create it, you can find my channel. On my channel we have the how to create EC2 instance. Even we have added how to create a AWS account free, that is available for 1 year to learn and explore the cloud environments. So let's copy the 6 command which we are installing the HashiCorp, the key GPG key. Okay, so I'll paste it over here, then I will hit enter. Then afterwards I'll proceed and I'll verify the installed key using the command which is given over here. It's prompting me the versions of this, right? So it's showing this is working fine. So after that we have to install HashiCorp repository into our system, that is VM machine. Just paste it over here. This is done. Then afterwards we will update the packages because we have installed some of the JPG keys and the dependency packages of Terraform infrastructure as code, right? So this is done. Now we will install Terraform from this new repository which we have fetched to our EC2 instance. Then I will hit enter. So it will install the Terraform. It will take few seconds. So Terraform will be up and running. So in order to check that Terraform is installed or no, Terraform command is terraform -- version. So it will prompt me the version of Terraform which is installed. The Terraform latest version is version 1.9.3. If you find the official document on show, they are showing that verify installation using the command terraform help. Either you can use terraform information or terraform help. So if the Terraform is installed, so it will prompt you the terraform commands, or else it will prompt you to install the Terraform, right? So this is the official Terraform. Okay, so there are everything is provided how you can go with the troubleshoot if you are facing any issue with the Terraform installation and everything, right? If you follow this tutorial, you will be successfully complete the installation of Terraform, right? So this is how you're going to check it out with the version. Okay, don't forget to share, subscribe my channel where you will find latest update videos related to the cloud and the DevOps and the security enhancement. We are covering DevSecOps concepts, right? See you in the next tutorial. Thank you very much.